Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the benefits of having good sleep. Good sound sleep is one of the most critical components of a healthy lifestyle, influencing various aspects of physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Despite its essential role, many individuals underestimate the importance of adequate sleep, often prioritizing work, social obligations, or entertainment over rest. However, the benefits of sound sleep are profound and far-reaching, impacting overall health and quality of life. During sleep, the body undergoes vital restoration processes. In particular, deep sleep stages are crucial for cellular regeneration, tissue repair, and muscle growth. During this time, the body releases growth hormone, which plays a significant role in muscle recovery and development. Athletes and individuals engaging in regular physical activity may notice improved performance and recovery times when they prioritize adequate sleep. Moreover, sleep facilitates the release of other hormones involved in bodily functions, contributing to muscle maintenance and overall physical health. For instance, sleep helps maintain the balance of hormones that regulate stress and metabolism, supporting muscle health and growth. Adequate sleep is vital for a robust immune system. Studies have shown that sleep enhances the production of cytokines, proteins that are essential for combating infections and inflammation. When the body is sleep-deprived, the production of these protective proteins decreases, increasing susceptibility to illnesses. In fact, individuals who consistently get less than 7 hours of sleep are more prone to catching colds and other infections. Furthermore, sleep is crucial for the body's inflammatory response. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to increased levels of inflammatory markers, which are associated with various health issues, including heart disease and diabetes. Quality sleep is intricately linked to maintaining a healthy weight. Insufficient sleep can disrupt the balance of hormones that control appetite, particularly leptin and ghrelin. Leptin, which signals satiety, decreases with sleep deprivation, while ghrelin, which stimulates hunger, increases. This hormonal imbalance can lead to increased cravings for high-calorie foods and an overall tendency to overeat. Moreover, sleep deprivation negatively affects metabolism and insulin sensitivity, further complicating weight management efforts. Individuals who prioritize sleep are more likely to make healthier food choices and maintain a balanced diet, facilitating weight control. Sound sleep is essential for cardiovascular health. Studies indicate that individuals who consistently get insufficient sleep are at a higher risk for various heart-related issues, including hypertension, heart disease, and stroke. Poor sleep can lead to increased heart rate and elevated blood pressure, as well as higher levels of stress hormones, which strain the cardiovascular system. During sleep, the body has a chance to lower heart rates and blood pressure, allowing the cardiovascular system to rest and recover. Prioritizing good sleep habits can significantly reduce the risk of developing heart-related conditions and contribute to overall heart health. Sleep plays a crucial role in cognitive processes such as memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. During sleep, particularly during rapid eye movement and deep sleep stages, the brain consolidates and processes information acquired throughout the day. This consolidation enhances memory retention and recall abilities. Lack of sleep impairs cognitive function, leading to difficulties in concentrating, remembering information, and making decisions. Sleep deprivation can also result in slower reaction times and diminished performance in tasks that require focus and alertness. For students and professionals alike, prioritizing good sleep can enhance learning and productivity. Good sleep is essential for emotional well-being and mental health. Sleep deprivation can lead to mood swings, increased irritability, and heightened stress levels. Poor sleep affects the brain's ability to regulate emotions, making individuals more susceptible to anxiety and depression. Conversely, sufficient sleep promotes a more stable emotional state, allowing individuals to cope better with daily stressors and challenges. A well-rested mind is better equipped to handle difficult situations, leading to improved relationships and overall quality of life. Adequate sleep contributes to reduced stress levels. Chronic sleep deprivation can elevate cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, leading to increased anxiety and stress. High cortisol levels can have negative effects on the body, including increased blood pressure and impaired immune function. By promoting relaxation and lowering cortisol levels, Good sleep can help individuals feel more balanced and less overwhelmed by life's challenges. Practicing good sleep hygiene can significantly contribute to stress management and emotional resilience. Quality sleep is crucial for maintaining hormonal balance. The endocrine system, responsible for producing and regulating hormones, relies on adequate sleep to function effectively. Sleep impacts the secretion of hormones such as insulin, cortisol, and reproductive hormones, all of which play vital roles in various bodily functions. For instance, disrupted sleep patterns can lead to insulin resistance, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. In women, insufficient sleep can affect menstrual cycles and reproductive health. By ensuring adequate sleep, individuals can support hormonal balance and overall health. The benefits of good sound sleep extend to long-term health outcomes. Chronic sleep deprivation is associated with an increased risk of various chronic conditions, including obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and even certain cancers. Prioritizing sleep can help mitigate these risks, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Good sleep hygiene practices such as maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and reducing screen time before bed can contribute to long-term health benefits. Good sound sleep is foundational to physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By prioritizing sleep, individuals can significantly enhance their quality of life, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and foster a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Adopting healthy sleep habits and recognizing the importance of rest is essential for anyone looking to optimize their overall health and well-being. If you found this video useful, like and share this with your friends and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.